Welcome back to Classic Motors. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most impressive luxury sedans of 2025, the Audi S8. The S8 is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll be discussing its exterior design, interior comfort, performance, and pricing in detail. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Audi S8 doesn't just command attention, it demands it. Audi has always been known for its sharp and modern design language, and the S8 is no exception. It maintains that distinctive Audi look with a massive front grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and clean, sleek lines running throughout the body. The large front grille is bordered by chrome, giving it a refined yet aggressive stance. Audi has also introduced subtle changes to the S8's bodywork, making it look sportier than ever. The rear is equally impressive, with OLED taillights that offer a dynamic light sequence whenever you unlock or lock the car. Overall, it's the kind of car that makes a statement wherever you go, whether you're pulling up to an event or just cruising around the city. Moving to the side profile, you notice the sleekness of the body, thanks to its aerodynamic design. The car sits on massive 21-inch alloy wheels that fill up the arches perfectly and give it an athletic posture. The chrome accents around the windows and the subtle S badging on the side panels further enhance the car's premium look. Audi has also ensured that the S8 remains aerodynamic while looking stunning. You get a panoramic sunroof as standard, adding more to the luxurious appeal. Now, stepping inside the 2025 Audi S8, the interior is where Audi truly excels. The cabin is an oasis of luxury and advanced technology. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted by high-quality materials like premium leather, brushed aluminum, and even carbon fiber trim on certain parts. The seats are not only plush and comfortable but are also equipped with massaging functions and heating, cooling capabilities. The front seats are adjustable in a multitude of ways, ensuring you find the perfect driving position no matter your size. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus is one of the highlights of the interior. The digital driver's display is sharp and fully customizable, giving you all the information you need at your fingertips, from navigation to performance metrics. The center console is dominated by a dual touchscreen setup, where the top screen handles infotainment and navigation while the lower screen takes care of climate control and seat adjustments. Audi's MMI system is responsive and easy to use, with haptic feedback making it feel tactile. You also have connectivity features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end Bang & Olufsen sound system that fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. Rear passengers are treated to plenty of legroom and luxury touches like climate control zones and heated seats. The S8's cabin is also incredibly quiet, with double-pane windows ensuring that road noise is kept to a minimum. But let's not forget that the S8 is more than just a luxury cruiser, it's a serious performance machine. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S8 packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a whopping 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system, making sure that all that power is delivered smoothly to the road. Thanks to the V8, the S8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, which is incredibly fast for a luxury sedan of its size. The car also comes with adaptive air suspension, which ensures a comfortable ride during daily commutes but can stiffen up for a sportier feel when you want to push it on winding roads. The rear wheel steering also enhances agility, making it easier to handle in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency isn't the primary concern with a car like the S8, but it still manages a respectable range for a V8-powered vehicle. You can expect around 15 miles per gallon in the city and 23 on the highway, which is reasonable given its performance capabilities. As for pricing, the 2025 Audi S8 starts at around $120,000, making it one of the more expensive luxury sedans on the market. However, when you consider the blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology you're getting, the price feels justified. Audi also offers a range of optional packages that can further enhance both the luxury and performance of the S8, though adding too many can push the price closer to $150,000. So, if you're in the market for a high-performance luxury sedan that can do it all, from delivering a comfortable, tech-laden ride to blowing the doors off most sports cars, the 2025 Audi S8 should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's review on the Audi S8. Be sure to subscribe to Classic Motors for more in-depth car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about this powerhouse of a sedan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.